Now we're going to talk about the appliances. So once you get inside, we're going to go ahead and start on the appliances. So we'll go in the report, hit appliances, and go to general. So first thing we're going to do is check the cooktop. What kind of a cooktop is it? Electric, gas. We're almost always going to mark aged. In our definition of what aged is, means it's a little bit older and there's some damage to it, or it's not quite perfect. If it's going to be good, that means you better be taking the stickers off of it. And average means it looks like it's a year, 2 years old, and you can't see any deficiencies on it. So go ahead and take inspect the cooktop, take a picture of it with it on. Once we've got that, we're going to want to go ahead and start the oven. Turn it on to 350 degrees and check the temperature. So if there's one oven, we're going to go ahead and put the temperature in oven test. If there's two, we've got a second one here. If there's not a second oven, you can go ahead and hit this button right there and delete it. After we've done the oven, you're going to want to go ahead and turn on the kitchen exhaust and note what condition is it in. Is it aged or average? And then do we have a hood, a microwave, most likely recirculating. Bathroom exhaust we're skipping for now. Dishwasher, go ahead and turn on the dishwasher to make sure that it's working. Check the garbage disposal if there is one. If there's not one, obviously we'll check in a microwave, doorbell, and then we're going to go back up to the top. If they do have a washer and dryer hooked up, we're going to take a picture of it, and we'll note that it's connected and 110 volts. And then on the dryer, we would go ahead and put connected if it was. If they're not connected, we'll come back to them later. On the dryers, we want to take a picture of your non-contact voltage meter showing that there is on the 240 and that it is operable or not operable as the case may be. And then if there's both electric and gas, go ahead and take a picture of that area so that they can see that there's hookups for both. After we've gotten done with the kitchen area, we'll go do the inspection. We'll check back later to see if our oven temperature has heated up all the way, and we can test that temperature. As we do the bathrooms, we'll go ahead and check whether or not the bathroom exhaust is operable or missing, possibly inoperable. And then at the end of the inspection, once we finish the inside, we'll go check the garage door opener. We're going to first make sure that it's unlocked. Then once we verify that it's unlocked and it's undamaged, if it's either, be sure to unlock it. If it's damaged, do not test it and put not tested, and then list why in our deficiencies down at the bottom. We're going to test to make sure it goes up and down, and then we're going to, after you've sent it up, once you hit the button to go send it down, check the eye sensors. Please do not check the pressure sensor. Garage doors are expensive, and it's easy to break those if it's an older unit. Under equipment not tested, as you're going through the house, the most common ones we see are smoke detectors, security systems, and carbon monoxide detectors, but we do have some other things here. And then if there is a sprinkler system, we'll note what kind it is. Is it a Rainbird or a Proline, something else? If they don't have one, please check NA. Probably not the best section, but we do have picture or spots if there is a well or septic system that we're not testing. If we are testing the well and septic, please see the well and septic video for how to do that. Once we've gone through and filled out, you're going to go to the deficiencies and just be familiar with some of the more common ones. The most common ones are vertical dryer vent, loop the dishwasher line, and limited smoke detectors. But keep an eye out for the rest of them, read through, and be familiar with these. And that's how we do the appliance